Hello guys, welcome to my channel Travel Rise Official, and here we are at Hyderabad and Vanakam or whatever, Hyderabad it is. So yeah, we are at Hyderabad and we are having some gala time out here. So this is my room. We have booked another good, wonderful, amazing room with some good things over here. If you see, you have a table to walk. Here you can work. You have a comfy bed and you have a sofa as well. This is good. Well, in terms of the view, nothing to ponder over. You know, you just need to leave it as it is. And you have the background. If you see, it's just there. Let me show you the outside of it. And here it is. Here it is, the room. And if you see, and just beside, behind me. So yeah, let me just go ahead and... So what's the plan today? That's something that I'm thinking right now. Well, the plan is to go ahead and spend some time in Hyderabad in the next 2-3 days, and we'll make some amazing vlogs, and we'll go ahead and take it ahead from there. What do you think? Tell me, do comment. And I'm actually still wondering what to do now. But yeah, it's a good. I got a steal deal generally. If I have to go ahead and tell you about this is amazing. I must say, for the price I have paid, I think this is amazing. You know, this is amazing. With the kind of money you're paying for this, far more better, and you can always enjoy here. Come here, spend some time. This is day one at Hyderabad. And still wondering. It's chilled out here, you know. It's chilled out here in Hyderabad. If you see, I must say that to the contrary of what we got in Vizag. Vizag was warm. This is chilled, I would say. You know, maybe at some point in time you may not even need a fan out here. The AC is on, it's centralized AC, and everything is amazing, I must say. So yeah, overall, for the money I paid, I think this is amazing. So I think one can always explore this place, just increasing the temperature a bit. So yeah, overall it's nice. Let me see the food menu here. So food and drink, well, it's reasonable, I would say. You see the menu, pasta and all is there, fresh fruit salad. So yeah, overall it's nice, I think. Yeah, it's good. So here is the washroom. Again, nice washroom. So you have a bathing area, you have a pot, and you have me. So yeah, overall toiletries, nothing much, only this. So yeah, no, you have some dental kit here. And if you see, dental kit, this is moisturizer, this is comb, that's it. No soap and all. So yeah, okay, fine, good. You have this as well. So yeah. So guys, we are going to the swimming pool now, and it's day one at Hyderabad, and let's get started. Let's have some fun. So yeah, we are going to the swimming pool, which is at the top. We'll show you from there the view. It's amazing, and we'll show you some good stuff there. Some fun. Let's get started. Yeah. So guys, here is the swimming pool, and then runs the metro. Pool and pool and pool. See the water, man. It's amazing, man. It's great. We're gonna have fun. Gonna have fun here. And here is my ball. We'll play with it. And there, see, it's nice, you know. Rooftop. They're amazing. So this is the shower area. You can sit here. Just here you can sit. Wow. Love it. I don't know what's the depth of the pool. It's not written anywhere, so have to find out. Too excited, man. Seriously. Now 6 o'clock in the evening, and we are leaving for Birla Temple here, Birla Mandir, जो भी बोल लो आप. यहाँ वहाँ पे जा रहे हैं. Let's see how it is. Obviously excited. We are planning to explore some food as well. Let's see. अगर होता है तो. Because obviously it was a long tour, so given the situation we just thought कि देखते हैं अगर होता है तो आज टाइम जाएंगे कुछ फूड एक्सप्लोर करेंगे लोकल फूड स्ट्रीट फूड हैदराबाद का or else we'll just go to Birla Temple and come back and have our dinner here at the hotel. So obviously there are both the plans are open right now. We have not decided on anything. So let's explore. Let's go to the Birla Temple that I was talking about. वहाँ पे अंदर में you cannot use your phone. So most probably मेरे को बाहर से दिखाना पड़ेगा आपको. But stay tuned and let's have some fun. So guys, we reached Birla Mandir, and as I said, it's amazing. It is always good to see the temple out here. If you see, it's from the outside, and I'm just showing you some glimpses of it. We went inside, we sat there for good 2 hours, was enjoying the view, and this is the watchtower. And we were enjoying the view from there. It was just amazing. This is the cloakroom. You can keep your things here. You need to keep your things here. You cannot enter with your mobile phone or your bags. And this is the Lord Venkateshwara statue out here, Vishnu Bhagwan jinko bolte hum. And that place is where you can get some snacks, you can have some lassi, you can buy some artifacts if you want. We went there, we didn't find anything to our liking, so liking in the sense to our need, hence we refrained from buying. However, having said that, overall the place is 10 out of 10. You can come here, sit peacefully. Inside you have Lord Venkateshwara statue as well, where you do a darshan, you enjoy the scenic beauty from the place. You can sit over there, you can see the Hussain Sagar Lake and the Lumbini Park and the Buddha statue from there. And it's amazing, I would say. This is a must visit place in Hyderabad. Once again, thank you for watching. we will come up with our second video, and this is what I'm talking about, the view. There it is, the Buddha statue from here, and you can enjoy the view from here. Overall, stay tuned. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe if you're not subscribed to our channel, and if you like the video, do like our videos as well. Thank you once again, and keep watching our channel. Stay tuned. Thank you.